Hello boys and girls. So Kings of War, Mantic side, we have a lot of things to just look at. Kings of War 3rd edition spell and artifact cards. These are looking like this. They are going to contain 64 cards and the price is going to be about £10. Alright. Really nice clean art on them. I really like this, how this looks actually. Alright, so next up is Kings of War 3rd edition Gamers Bundle. So what you get in this are hardback rulebook, Kings of War Never Die, you will unit serve the King of War Never Dies, and the spell and artifact cards you seen right now, scenery and objective cards. They are used alongside the 3rd edition. It includes 7 plastic objective and 10 loot counters and bluff counters. I think it's going to be something like this. And it's a really good pack. We are using it for Vanguard right now, and it paints up really nice. So if it's something like this, it's good value for money. I really like how it looks. So yeah. Anyways. Let's see what else is going. Yeah, you're going to get a digital book as well soon. You have it. And next up is 3rd edition collector's bundle. With this you get this A2 map. So you know a regular size A4. A3 is double that size. And A2 is double that size again. So it's a super big map, and here you can see the die holder. So you're going to see which turn it is any time. And look at this really cool 10th edition miniature here, 10 years anniversary miniature here. And you can see on the base you can take it out and you can play with it. And the same with this, you can see the little telltale slotters, so it's really cool. You can take them out and have a game with them also. It's a diorama and a gaming piece as well, and it's really cool. So that is that one. It's costing you £74.99. Northern Alliance Mega Bundle. Haha, look at this. Oh my lord, look at all this good stuff. And you can get this for $99.99. And here is the scenario and objective, and here you can see, basing on the picture here, I imagine it to be something the lines of the Vanguard objectives thing. So that's cool. And you get 7 plastic scenery objective and 10 and 10 loot and bluff counters. Now on this piece it says it's 14 pieces, so there are half the pieces for 3rd edition. Alright, and now you have Shadow of the North King of War 2-player web bundle. It's costing you $74.99, and it has the stuff with 88 miniatures, and it comes with some really cool square bases, 144 page rulebook, Shadow of the North campaign booklet, and movement trains is also included. So that's really cool. Yeah, really nice bundle. I'm drooling around this one. Alright, next one is just the 3rd edition rulebook hardback, and look at all this. Really nice. I really like the fonts they are using. Really nice. It's costing you $34.99, and it's up to pre-order. Everything here is up to pre-order. Kings of War Frost Giant, $49.99, looking awesome. It's just really awesome. And let's see, the next one are the Kings of War Tundra Wolves troop. Look at the doggies. Ah, $24.99 for these ones. A bargain. Really looking nice. And Northern Alliance Lord and Scald for $7.99. That's a steal. It's a good miniature, so I really like it. And lastly we have the Northern Alliance Lord on a Simra, and look at this. Oh my god. It's a mix between a goat, a dragon, and the Frost Fang. So yeah, you don't want to ask what happened there. Alright, so that is the little walkthrough on the site right now, Matic Games. Links below, you can check it all out. It's really cool. Alright, like, subscribe, and share with friends and everything like that. All that YouTube yada yada yada. Alright, bye.